Hello, I'm Scott. In this classes, I'd like to introduce how to enroll student and tutors. And in this classes, first I'd like to show you the how to setting the enrollment and then how to enroll each users and the administrator or managers and teachers and students, something like that. And also after that, you can set the role and the permissions together. Okay. Uh, all course participants are enrolled in the courses and assign a appropriate role. Enrolled users can be assigned to groups and have grades, can submit assignment, and are visible in the list of participants and can subscribe to the forums and can participate in choices. Only enrolled users are true participants in courses. There are so many ways to how to enroll. Usually you can use the manual enrollment. This enables users to be enrolled manually one by one. And also you can use the self-enrollment. It means that user can access some screen and they can change their enrollment. So it allows user to enroll themselves into a courses directly or by a enrollment key. And also can use the guest access or cohort sync and course matter link and paper, something like that. But I don't mention some about the detailed things because it is very a special case to use this kind of things. So you can usually use just the manual things or self-enrollment. I think it's enough for you to usually use for setting the enroll users. This is the very basic ways to enroll users. This screen, so you can easily enroll um, each users, and you can keep the some. You can assign the specific roles for each user. So, and click the enroll users button at the top right or bottom left of the pages, and then you can see this pop-up pages. And first time, so you need to assign log drop downs if you want to change it. Okay, you can select the student or teacher, something like that. Browse and search for users and click the enroll button deposit the users. The user will indent in the list and the enroll button will disappear, indicating that the user is enrolled already. When you have finished, click the finish enrolling user buttons, and then the user will then appear in the list of enrolled user. Very simple. This is the another way of how to enroll manually. Also, you can click the enroll users icon in the edit column opposite manual enrollment. Select users from the not enrolled user list. And user control mouse click button and to select both users, and then you can add a button to add the users to the enrolled user list. This is the a second way to enroll the users. This is a cohort sync. It is a little bit seems to be complicated for you, but it is very widely used in this moment because it is a very efficient way to enroll. So cohort uh, is a some kind of site-wide groups enables all members of a core cohort to be enrolled in a course in one actions, either manually or synchronized automatically. And you can change the role and permission, which is already set in a Moodle native. Role is a collection of permissions defined for the whole systems that you can assign to specific users in specific context. The combination of role and context define a specific user's ability to do something on any pages. The most common examples are the role of student and teachers in the context of pages. So here you can see the list of the roles and you can change it, the, each role, and then you can open the role and then you can see the whole permissions which is assigned for this role. So in this manner, you can change the permissions assigned in each roles. In Moodle, apart from the site administrators, usually users don't have a global site-wide law. It means that it depends on the policy of the, the coursework. In other words, even though you may be a tutor when you are in a Moodle, you could be a student in each in no in specific course. So it means that you can be a teacher, so you can be a student in any ways in the Moodles, or it is not decided thing. So you can assign the roles which you make to each users for the policy of your coursework. Okay, this is the end of my explanations about how to enroll and how to change the role and permissions. This is very simple, but this is a very basic uh, understandings of how to enroll each users in your coursework. Thank you for listening. I will see you in the next class. Bye.